Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to the Housing Report. Today we've got some fresh information through on the number of building consents issued in April, and there's a big jump, a really surprising jump. It's mainly because 3 apartment blocks have received building consents and they have 150 units each. So the number of building consents for apartments rose from 50 in March to 771 in April. So that boosted the overall numbers of building consents to 2,373. That's up 50% from a month ago and up a third from a year ago. As you can see here from this chart, it's been trending down now for just over a year. But right at the end you can see a huge blip up with these apartment numbers coming through. It really is a surprise, and most people wouldn't have expected 3 big apartment block consents to go through. You can tell from the regional stats that these apartment blocks are in Wellington City and in Auckland City. We don't know exactly what their names are yet, but we're looking. The question though is, will these apartment blocks with 150 units each, will they actually be built? So it's okay to get the consent, but you've still got to build the blinking things and then sell them. Often off the plan. You have to get funding from the banks or the finance companies, and the finance companies are basically not lending at the moment, and the banks are being very careful about lending on apartment developments. Assuming, let's say, each of these apartments averages $250,000, that's $112 million of lending in 1 month, and we've just seen stats showing that the banks lent a total of $616 million nationally on housing in the last month of April. So I really would be shocked if all of these apartment buildings were built. Now, what does this all mean for monetary policy? If you looked at it on the face of it, it would show that the economy is rebounding and that the inflationary pressures are back and that we would need to have perhaps higher interest rates. But actually, I think most people will write these numbers off as a one-off, and that it won't change the view on monetary policy. Currently people are talking about a cut in the official cash rate in September, maybe December, and that we still have an inflation problem that needs to be beaten. I'm Bernard Hickey, that was the Housing Report for interest.co.nz.